Hey, this is Brian Jackson, Ableton certified trainer from Brooklyn, New York, and this is the 9th video in my Ableton Live Quick Tip series with the goal of showing you 100 essential efficient workflow techniques in 33 3-minute or less videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly select individual, multiple, or partial clips and then move them without touching your pointing device. So you do need to click on the timeline somewhere to be able to do these shortcuts. And always kind of pay attention to what your grid setting is at. And of course, we have the shortcuts here for widen and narrow grid, and you can always just right click and change the grid setting. I do tend to like to use the adaptive grid on the timeline in the arrangement view. Now, once you have your insert mark anywhere on the timeline, you can just press up and down, left and right to move around. Now, let's say I wanted to select the first bar in this clip here. I'm going to hold shift and now I can select that. And then if I press the left arrow, it's just going to move it around. And then of course we can cut, copy, paste, all that sort of stuff. I can also do this with multiple things, with multiple clips. I'm going to press escape to deselect, and then I'm going to select both of these, and now I can move both of these around. So I press escape to deselect. Now let's say I wanted to just nudge this one here. So I'm going to press shift, right arrow to select it. And now I'm going to hold command. And if you'll notice, it's just barely moving around. Let me zoom in here a little bit. I'm holding command, and now I can nudge it around in small increments. On Windows, that's probably going to be Alt, might be Control. So there you go. We have these very quick ways for selecting partial or full clips, multiple or individual, and then moving them around just using your key commands. If you appreciated this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, sharing, or commenting.